I bought some extra clips, a clip remover tool, and a hose kit here off of Amazon. I put some links in the video description if you guys want to check those out. See right here, the water hose goes up, and underneath this cover, we're going to remove all of these clips here. You'll definitely want to order the replacement clips because chances are you're going to end up tearing them up like this, but some of them you might be able to save. All right, remove that. You look right here, see that coming out right there? So we're going to have to start at this part here. I'm going to replace this piece here. Oh, see right here, it's disconnected. Oh, it's disconnected there. Look at that. What do you know? Let's plug this back in, see what happens. This is the hose kit that I have. It has several connector pieces, and it's got quite a bit of length here on the water hose. I'm simply going to just disconnect right here. This just pops off, and I'll replace this long piece of hose that goes all the way to the nozzles there. So you see right here, we have these connector pieces. They just slide right in like that. There are some retainer clips here that are holding this old hose in place. We're just going to pop those out and remove those there. I would definitely recommend you get this removable tool if you do not have it, because this makes it really nice and easy to remove those clips there. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to disconnect right here, right there, and we're going to disconnect that one there. I want to reuse these retainer clips here, so I ended up just taking a pair of vice grips and putting it on the back part of the clip, and then take a flathead screwdriver and pop that piece open. That way we can reuse these guys here. Put this back in place where the water hose goes here. Since this water hose is a little bit larger in diameter than the OEM one, I'm not going to clip this down completely because I don't want to pinch the hose. I'm just simply going to take a zip tie. I'm going to zip tie this onto the clip here. There we go. This section right here, the hose comes up and it bends. And since there's an actual hole that goes through there, I can route just the zip tie. I'm not going to reuse the retainer clip. There we go. I'm just going to loosely do that there. And then keep running the hose that comes up here. We're going to actually, instead of using that clip right there, I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to zip tie it to the, yeah, let's do that. Run this up and through. I have my connector piece in right here. We'll say that we need to, I'm going to give it a little bit of slack, just enough play in case I need to make some adjustments here. Go ahead and plug this up here. Now I do have it unplugged on this other side. It came off. I'm going to plug that back in just to re-verify that I need to replace this side here. I may not have to, but I'm going to find out. Let's see if we have any more leaks. See if that fixed that or not. Oh yeah, look at us. Ready to install this piece back on here. Gonna fit like that, and I'm just going to pop this in up right up top here. Oh yeah. Thanks for watching.